Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily remove cover photos on your Facebook page. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So, dear friends, let's get started. And I will show you the whole process from the beginning. First of all, go to your Facebook page. Then from the main Facebook page to the main feeds, you will need to go to your account. To do that, you can on the top left-hand side click on your image, and that will take you to your account. Next, friends, click on your cover photo. Now select the option to view cover photo. As you can see, this photo opens even uncropped full size. You can view it. Now, if you want to delete it, you will need to click on the three dots on the top right and select the Delete Photo function. Confirm your action by clicking Delete. Literally in a few seconds, the photo will be deleted. After that, I recommend you refresh the page. Just like this. And as you can see, I've deleted the photo page. You will also either not have a photo at all like mine, or you will just have another photo that was before the deleted cover photo. And if you want to change the cover photo right away, you can do that by clicking here on the camera sign on the cover photo, and then select Upload Photo. You will be immediately taken to the gallery, where you can choose absolutely any photo you like. Once you have selected a photo, click on it. Next, click on Continue on the top right. And now, if you don't like something, you can drag the photo up and down to select exactly the section you like. After that, also from the top right, click Save. Now, I recommend you to refresh your Facebook page with this kind of motion. As you can see, the cover photo was immediately changed. Friends, this is the very quick and simple way you can easily delete the cover photo on your Facebook account. I really hope you found this video helpful, that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Bye-bye.